Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are healthy and fine. I am Bisma Wahid from Glorious Study Circle. Today we are going to learn about writing numbers in words. Before starting the video, if you are new in the channel, I would like you to subscribe, like, share the video. Here you have a guide to converting numerals into words. Let's get started. Numbers 1 to 10. First, we will talk about numbers 1 till 10. 1. O N E 1. 2. T W 2. 3. T H R E E 3. 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. 6. S I X 6. 7. S E V E N 7. 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. 10. T E N 10. Hope numbers from 1 till 10 are clear to you. Let's move on. Now we will talk about numbers in words 11 to 19. 11. E L E V E N 11. 12. T W E L V E 12. 13. T H I R T E E N 13. 14. F O U R T E E N 14. 15. F D E E N 15. 16. S I X T E E N 16. 17. S E V E N T E E N 17. 18. E I G H T E E N 18. 19. N I N E T E E N 19. 20. T W E N T Y 20. I hope numbers from 11 to 19 are also clear to you. Let's practice now. 12. T W E L V E 12. Say it with me. 15. F I F T E E N 15. 17. S E V E N T E E N 17. 19. N I N T E E N 19. Thank you very much for watching the video. It was Bisma Wahid from Glorious Study Circle. I hope the concept is clear to you now. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you have any question, please write your question in comment box. Also give your suggestion if you want to learn any topic. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.